What's up, guys? It's Brad with DoItYourself.com. We're Facebook Live and we're partnering up today with John Deere and Do It Yourself. We're coming to you live, so tune in for the next few minutes. We're going to go over some awesome new revolutionary products from John Deere, starting with this amazing John Deere Easy Change 30-second oil system. No more cleaning, no more challenge, no more hurting yourself like me. I ended up in the hospital about 2 years ago changing my oil, but that's a different story. So here's our engine, right? Our mock-up engine. You pop the canister in, you twist, voila. Put down the gasket so you don't get any gas or you don't get any grass or any dirt in there. And that's it. Less than 30 seconds. They call it the Easy Change 30-second oil system, but I think you guys can probably do it in like 15. Let's go over that one more time. So you've got this canister, and what's cool about this is canister is 0.8 quarts of oil, right? But you don't have to change your oil. You don't have to flush out all your old oil system. You just got to pop this in, twist, turn, and it's done. What I love about this system, it injects life into the old oil. So you don't have to go through 5-6 quarts of oil to change your oil. It's 0.8 quarts, right? You get this canister. Go to johndeere.com. You can find your local John Deere retailer, and you pick up this. And it's good for all new 2018 E130 John Deere mowers or select 100 mowers. So it doesn't work with the older ones, but don't worry about that, because once you see this thing, you're gonna go out and get yourself a new one. One more time, let's go over this. So you got your oil port, you got your canister, pop it in, twist, boom, finito, done. Put down your gasket, don't get any grass in there. So let's come walk over here real quick. So our buddies over at Talcoast Machinery brought this new 2018 E130 John Deere mower. This is great for all you new homeowners or who have an acre or two of property who maybe are lacking in some storage. You can park it in your garage, you can park it in the back underneath an awning or whatever. This is where the port is down here, okay? So all you have to do, I'm not going to go through it because I have it tied up right now, but to unlock it, you just counterclockwise and pull it out. You take the new canister, you plunge it, you twist it. It's got these little routed out grooves in here. It goes into the 4 little screw holes down here. You twist it, you pop it down, and you're done. And it's easy to recycle as well. You go to your local John Deere retailer or a home improvement store, change it in, you get a new one. Let's look at some of these new features over here, guys. Check this out. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's not a new feature, it's been around for a while, but it's a washout, garden hose washout. So you plug in your garden hose, you turn on your blade, like that. Like, I know the guys in the back, they love that sound effect. So it's my washout sound effect system. They have this new seat system. It's cushiony, it's wider, the back plate is better. Like me, I have a terrible back of all the years I've been doing carpentry and being a contractor. It's on a spring load, so when you're going through, you're mowing your 1.5 acres of lawn, it keeps your back nice and settled, and it's also just very comfortable. You've got a side-by-side reverse and forward pedal. No longer do you actually have to go heel-toe to go in reverse. You got your forward side-by-side and your reverse right next to each other. Here's the reverse, here's your forward. Just makes it more efficient, easy to put it in reverse or put it in forward position. You pop in the canister, you turn, you put down your gasket, and it's done. And what I love about this is it injects new life into your old oil, so you don't have to change your oil. I mean, you can if you want, there's still a plug, you can take out your old oil, but this just makes it more easy and efficient and breathes new life. You're spending less money, you're spending less time, it's way cleaner, and it's way more efficient than the older system. So again, the John Deere Easy Change oil system, the John Deere E130, for all you new homeowners who want just clean and efficient. You've got an acre, 1.5 acres, 2 acres of property. Go to johndeere.com or check out your John Deere local retailer. They'll have all the questions answered for you. and come back and say hello to us. I want to give a shout out to our buddies over at Cow Coast Machinery. They brought this amazing system. Again, check out the John Deere Easy Change 30-second oil system. If you can do it for in less than 30 seconds, I've done it in 12. Just shoot me a buzz or go to Instagram or go to DoItYourself.com and tell me how long it took you. Appreciate you guys' time, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.